Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zani Study Instruments. Here are students who are doing Master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is Greek literature and I'm gonna tell you about the very important topic Greek literature tragedy. Euripides is Electra. Before starting this video guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. Or video अच्छी लगे तो please press the like button and share my video with your friends. The viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you don't understand, please tell me in the comment box. You will get the same topic in the next video. Zani Study Instruments Literature in Pakistan. Now I'm gonna start that topic. Very important topic in Greek literature, Greek tragedy. यूरिपाइड्स का करेक्टर है Electra, the protagonist of the drama, has an extremely complex role in that the principles of justice and honor to which she stubbornly adheres require her to do the unthinkable, to participate in her mother's death. What adds to the inherent complexity of Electra's position is the increasing evidence throughout the play of the uncertainty of Electra's grasp on the very standard of justice that motivate her. It is clear from the outset that Electra is right to mourn her father's murder by her mother. Her mourning is a natural response to an awful occurrence, and she claims that though she does not necessarily choose grief, she feels forced, as if by the principles of honor, to act as she does. Electra's mourning results in her abuse by both Clytemnestra and Aegisthus, who, perhaps threatened by Electra's refusal to let go of the past, treat her as little better than herself in her own house. Electra is willing to suffer in the name of honor and in the name of principles of justice, or at least to her understanding of those principles prove itself to be unwaveringly spotted. These moral ambiguities, however, exist more to complicate the play and the revenge than to undercut the revenge entirely. Despite Electra's questionable sense of justice, and despite her overzealous enthusiasms for murder, there remains a strong case of the revenge. On the one hand, it occurs in accordance with an oracle from Apollo, which in Athenian times was stronger than law and a blasphemy to ignore. The reactions of the chorus, too, throughout the play seem to sanctify the revenge. Traditionally quite restrained, the chorus is increasingly sympathetic to Electra and decreasingly suspect of her desire for revenge. Indeed, in the Exodus, the chorus is an enthusiastic participant in the revenge, excitedly giving the alert when Aegisthus approaches. One thing we can be sure of is the fact that Sophocles provides question not answers through the morally ambiguous chorus. For instance, he even forces the audience, witnesses like the chorus to these events, to question its moral bearings. गाइस, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक इलेक्ट्रा, ग्रीक ट्रेजेडी की बुक है यूरिपाइड्स, उसका ये एक करेक्टर है इलेक्ट्रा। एंड किसी और टॉपिक की ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं, आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वही टॉपिक मिलेगा। और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर माई वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।